The horsey's almost done. Is he going to come over now?
He has all the hair on.
Do you like his tail, ponytail?
Uh-huh.
And it's a braid like yours, isn't it? Oh, look, there's that doggy. Oh, that doggy wanted to see you again. Do you remember his name?
What's his name?
I forgot.
Nice and black.
I don't know. He's nice, so, huh?
That one has a gray mask on.
Oh, he does. He's looking at us, huh?
Uh-huh.
That one horsey. He's looking at us. He says, I wish I could come over and play with you. But he's too far away. Hey, look, there's a cat, Olivia. Look in the horse pen. You don't see that cat? Right there. Olivia, he's coming right towards you.
Is he mean?
I don't know.
I think he is.
Cats and dogs and horses. It's crazy out in Congress, and choo-choo trains going by.
Just hear him saying meow.
What did he say?
Meow.
Yeah. Look, that doggy loves you, Olivia. He keeps coming by you. He says, will you pet me again? Oh, did you hear the kitty?
Uh-huh.
What did he say?
Meow.
Be careful. I don't know him, honey. He might scratch you. He seems nice, but you never know. What do you like the best? Cats, dogs, or horses?
Cats and horses
Yeah.
and dogs.
You love them all?
Uh-huh.
Do you love being in Congress?
Mhm.
Me too. I love it up here. Aww.
Why is he turning white?
He's old. And can you hear all the birds?
Mhm.
And look at that giant saguaro cactus. And
Wow, it's up in the...
Joshua tree. And that's a mesquite tree. And Palo Verdes. It's so beautiful. And the mountains. There's all the mountains. It's a beautiful day today, huh, Olivia?
Why is he have a, in a rock?
I don't know.
Why do little dogs like rocks?
I don't know,
Why
honey.
is he sitting down?
Oh, because he wants you to cuddle with him, I guess.
What is this?
I don't know, honey. Oh, he loves you, Olivia. Oh, okay. Should we keep going on a walk? What do you want to do?
He's coming.
There he is. There he is. Do you hear the horses? Are you excited?
Here, little horsey.
I hope he comes here. Let's see if he does. Now he's over. Oh! What's he doing over there? Come here, horsey.
Come here.
Olivia wants to see you. Can you come say hi to us?
No, I can't see his eyes.
Well, he has that's so the flies won't. Remember those other horses and there were flies all over their eyes?
Mm-hmm.
And I said they need a fly mask. That's a fly mask. So the flies won't bother the horse and get on their eyes. Horsey, come here, horsey. Maybe he'll come. He's walking.
He's trying to eat his poop.
Oh, don't eat your poop, horsey. That's crazy.
Probably just eating his egg.
Yeah.
What the heck is that? It was on my lap.
Oh, because you were... Okay, he's coming. Olivia. Now be very quiet. Come here, horsey.
And here, horsey.
Maybe he's going to come over here. Do you think he is?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like he's walking. He's thinking about coming over here.
This dog has a bad grass.
Oh, well, he's old.
Why is he dirty?
He's cute, though, huh?
But why is he dirty?
Well, because he's just been playing outside. What's that horsey doing? Oh, come on, horsey, come here. He's hiding in the corner. There he is. He's out there. Did you hear him? Oh, he's sneezing. I don't think he's coming over, Olivia. I think he's still hungry. He's going to go eat some more. Should we keep walking and see if we can see something else?
He can eat all his food, then he can go poop and he can come to me.
He's going to poop and then come to you? Okay, do you want to keep waiting?
What is this?
I don't know. Okay, honey. I think we should keep walking and then maybe we'll come back and he'll be ready. Okay?
Oh, those horses.
All right.